Hi Utkarsh, how
Hello,
are
sir.
you?
I'm good, sir.
Yes, thank you so much for joining with us. Like myself, Nitish, I am from marketing team from ImaginXP. So how are you doing today?
Sir, I'm doing well.
First, I want to know, like, why did you choose experience design? Like, what was your motive behind it?
Sir, actually, basically, I was from a civil background.
Okay.
So I'd do preparation for 2 years and then job for 2 years. And then 1 year of Corona. So that's why I have 5 years of gap. But in that gap period, from college time, I used to design or draw things.
Okay.
And in 2019, once I draw a cartoon or some graphics on a cafe's wall. So someone told me about you should go to the UX UI designing field. Then I searched for that field, and the things they were mentioning in that course or in that field, this is all I was doing for like I was in school also.
So you're
So the things
like
I did,
connecting the dots.
But I'm not familiar about the terms.
No, not dots. I'm saying that your dots are connecting, like which you used to do earlier. You are finding similar to it, right? This that you're studying right now. Right.
And when I was unable to crack government exams in civil, so I was like searching for the other careers. So I found this because so private sector in civil is too difficult. 12 to 15 hours of job, and I don't want to work for that hours and get nothing.
Right, absolutely. So, Utkarsh, what is your overall experience? Like right now, you have done a lot of sessions, right? I guess almost 40% of the course is complete, I think, right?
Yes,
so, what is your overall experience till now? I wanted to just understand in a like short form.
So before that course, I know only that we have to make a app or logo design.
Okay.
That is all I know about the UX design and researching.
Right.
But after that, I come to know that making app or interface is just a little part of the UX designing, and there are a lot of things to learn, and I'm learning. And all the mentors are very good. In fact, today even at 11 o'clock, I had a meeting with Urut sir.
Okay.
So he helped me in a lot of things. He gave me feedback on my CV also. And he said that you are showing that you are a good civil engineer and you want a job in UX. So why they give you?
Right.
So there are faults, and they always they help me in every kind.
Okay.
So overall experience is good, and I'm very fantasized about Ashirwad sir. The teaching was very good.
Okay, so that is the best part that we provide. Plus, I wanted to know, like, you must have seen the curriculum before joining the course, right? So, are the like teachers training you according to the curriculum? Is everything accordingly to the curriculum, or something is like apart from that?
No, they are teaching according to the curriculum, and they take doubt if not mentioned. Suppose if I have some doubts that was not in the curriculum, they also cleared it. But they teach according to the curriculum.
All right. And you named a lot of faculties like Anirudh, Naina ma'am, and a lot of faculties, right? So that is like these are the best faculties that we have, and this is one of the best program that we are offering. So that's why we have the best faculties for this program. So I wanted to know what is the exact feeling when you see yourself after the course, like after 9 months, where would you like to stand? Like what would be your feeling after doing the course?
Sir, I'm giving you an example. In my CV, in the skills part, I just mentioned Adobe XD, Figma, and user research. Okay. User research, I just put, I don't know what is the, I know how to research. I just write it there.
Okay.
So, and he said, what about empathy maps? So I was like, yes, sir, I know. So I don't to add in skills. So I don't know that these are the skills. So मुझे लगता था कि सिर्फ सॉफ्टवेयर सी स्किल्स होती हैं तो मतलब बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो पता चल रही हैं अभी.
Right. So you must be having a lot of friends, right? Your colleagues, your friends, like people working in your company, like if you're working somewhere, so people will be there. Plus you will be having your childhood friends, people you must be knowing in your localities, right? So like if someone comes and asks you what to do, would you like recommend this course to them? Would you feel happy in that?
Sir, obviously, one of my friend is there, Vaibhav Pandey.
Okay.
When I completed 1 month in there, and I was like convincing every day, join the course, join the course. He's also civil engineer and he's working in Gujarat.
Okay.
He works for 14 to 15 hours and got only 15,000. So I was like, every day I told about the course and I gave the number of Mrunmay, I think, who got me admitted in this course.
Right.
Mrunmay. So I gave the number and he also joined the course.
About your learning right now design, your understanding UX, your understanding experience design, how are you feeling? Like, is it really good? Is it really worth it?
Sir, it is really worth it. Sir, I was looking for the answer what UX designing is. I asked to everyone and everyone give me in some different manner. When Ashirwad sir said that you are the Jain Viru of Sholay.
Okay.
जो गांव में आते हैं और वहां देखते हैं कि प्रॉब्लम क्या है, पहले वो प्रॉब्लम समझते हैं, फिर उन्हें दिखता है कि प्रॉब्लम गब्बर है, फिर वो प्रॉब्लम को खत्म कर देते हैं और फिर जो वहां की लाइफ होती है वो और बेटर हो जाती है.
Okay.
तो बेसिकली यूएक्स डिजाइनर्स वही हैं. और उन्होंने कहा कि ये बहुत वास्ट फील्ड है. तो सर जो आंसर्स मैं सुनना चाहता था ना वो एक्चुअली उन्होंने बोल दिए, तो मेरे को कंफर्म हो गया कि मैंने सही कोर्स ज्वाइन किया.
That is the core part of ImaginXP, that exactly we are the counselors, are the faculties, mentors, what we are doing. So I just have a quick 1 minute session. Okay. How do you rate out of 10 to our faculties? Tell me all about faculties what we are providing at IMT Ghaziabad with ImaginXP. About faculties.
Sir, can I give a range?
Yeah, you can just give us a range as well.
8 to 10.
8 to 10. Okay. And what about
not 8 exactly, 9 or 10 basically.
Okay. And how are you liking the support with ImaginXP, with Mr. Gaurav, with Brunmay, and with the faculties? Are we giving you the best support?
Sir, support is the part that I would like the most. Very good support.
That we are there for you, and we are giving you total feedback about giving you the all updates. We are definitely going to connect with you on call, and no need to worry. Just tell your mother you have ImaginXP behind your back to support you in your career, right? For sure.
Actually, once your portfolio will be ready now, our placement team will connect with you. They'll ask you about that you want to go for a job or an internship, right? So accordingly, they'll be aligning your interviews and all. So you don't have to worry about that, right? Okay.
Okay.
All right then. Fine.
Okay. So, nice speaking with you, Utkarsh. Thank you for the quite good feedback. We are there to support you as well in future. Okay.
Thank you.
Sure.
Thank you, Utkarsh.
Thank you, Utkarsh.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.